Today, let us discuss about cyber policing, the multi-phase cyber criminal, fake government of Telangana. What is sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander. Coming to abstract part, cyber crimes bring annoying problems to the people worldwide. They brought a number of new crime activities, actors, and new challenges in fighting against them. The cyber policing is meant for stopping cyber crimes and is a knowledge-intensive challenge. The FGOT is an online cybercriminal organization associated to JNTU-HGAC that is prevailing even now in the JNTU-H academic environment. The FGOT committed multiple cybercrimes against the Indian nation. For this, we have cyber forensic evidence through Wayback Machine, a web crawler tool or web robot running on the internet. But the status quo of cyber policing for this case discloses the fact that the police personnel failed to deal with it correctly. We discussed our analysis of deleterious effects of these cybercrimes and some steps to remediate them. Firmly hold the opinion that if the state and central governments release a white paper detailing their efforts to defuse these cybercrimes, they can receive trust and increase people's trust over the nation. Unlike the case in which Swami Paripurnananda was extended, neither the twin cybercriminal organizations, namely FGOT and JNTU-JC, were served any prohibition orders by the police, nor cybercriminals were convicted. This raised many moot questions. We have devised a declaration for social media usage ethics that can weaken and mitigate the abusive usage of social media by educated elite. Introduction. Cybercrime is any criminal activity that involves a computer or network device or a network. Cybercrimes are bubbling in every community so frequently and they are diminishing the social and national values. The very purpose of the computer and internet are getting lost by abusive actions of cybercriminals in the society. The courage that cybercriminals invest in the commission of cybercrimes is yielding desired benefits to them. Because of many flaws in handling of the cybercrimes, cyber policing plays a vital role in the criminal procedure and finds its value highly in cyber security policies. Appropriate cyber policing is the heart of such digital India and is yet to come. Related work. We carried out the literature survey related to our research work and the details are presented. Cyber policing the India abusive fake government of Telangana. In nearly 20 plus earlier well-indexed publications, we brought to limelight based on cyber forensic open source web robot Wayback Mission. The twin cybercriminal organizations CCOs, Fake Government of Telangana and JNTU-JC, prevalent in JNTU-H academic environment during 2011 and 2014, the resultant deleterious effects and remedial analytics. The Government of Telangana GOT 2014 to 2018 is an offshoot of the FGOT. In the backdrop of the prevalence of two CCOs, the AP Reorganization Act 2014 was affected. We lodged police complaints against the two CCOs with respect to our first police complaint. The FIR was filed in the January 2014 and KPHB PS against the violation of the State Emblem of India, Prevention of Improper Use Act 2005. The witness produced by the police in the court trial turned as hostile evidence and the accused A1 was acquitted. A1 and Court of AP through KPHB-PS were the parties to the judgment. It is unknown whether government of AP got a copy of the judgment. Several moot questions are: is it not absurd that KPHB-PS is a party? KPHB-PS forwarded our RTI application consisting of 48 questions to JNTU-H to respond for 42 questions, but JNTU-H was apathetic. This gives the impression that JNTH and the Cyberabad police colluded to spare the twin cybercriminal organizations to a second police complaint in January 2018 against the seditious GOT SGOT. Hyderabad police filed FIR in January 2018 against the violation of the 66 CIT Act identity theft but turned Nelson's eye to the reported sedition crime. The responses of the JNTUH authorities and the Hyderabad police indicate the maladaptive academics and policing. Some other moot questions are how to see that GOI duly plays a role with respect to remedying of the abhorrently India abusive, constitution violative cybercrimes, etc. The many facets of the 3D government of Telangana. Negative usage models, for example, dark web that surrounded the destructive IC, become a great threat to ensure sustainable progressive nation society and culture. Cybercrimes which capture such models played a vital role in misleading the Telangana youth and society in the guise of Telangana movement. The result that academic merit and leadership turned India abusive during 2011 to 2014 in technological education environment in India. The multidimensional perspectives and significance of such cybercrimes were highlighted in nearly 20 research publications, including our earlier NAOP2 2017 presentation. Towards research tracking the issue of cybercrime from 360-degree life cycle and remedial perspectives, we endeavor to recover the academic and national losses due to these cybercrimes. What is the sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander. Why was Swami Paripurnananda extended to no prohibition orders against JNTH-JC and DGOT prog-dark government of Telangana? The JNTH academic scam. Dark web is the part of the World Wide Web that is only accessible by means of special software configurations or authorizations to access, thus allowing users to website operators to remain anonymous, unidentified, and untraceable. The dark web is contrasted with clearnest, which is the regular web which has unencrypted nature. The deep web, sometimes called the invisible web, is the large part of the internet that is inaccessible to conventional search engines. Deep web content includes email messages, the chat messages, private content, social media sites, electronic health records, EHRs, electronic bank statements, and other content that is accessible over the internet but is not crawled and indexed by search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, or DuckDuckGo. The dark web forms a small part of the deep web. Deep web is a term mistakenly used to refer specifically the dark web, communication between the darknet users in highly encrypted, allowing users to talk, blog, and share files. Darknet websites are accessible only through networks such as Tor. Conclusions and future work. We presented the nuggets of research work in handling the cyber case under study. We focused on many moot questions that arose because of the ineffective cyber policing with respect to our cyber crime case. We depicted multi-faceted 3D government of Telangana and highlighted that the government become strong and more powerful if they did release a white paper presenting the measures taken by them to diffuse the effect of these uh, cybercrimes. Such actions can rule out formation of such cybercriminal organizations in the future. The police issued exterminate orders against Swami Paripurnananda. Similar to this, the police issue the prohibition orders against the FGOT and JNTU JAC cybercriminal organizations and see that the cybercriminals were convicted. What is the source for the goose is source for the gander. We devised a declaration for social media usage ethics. It keeps the society on the bedrock values, hence abusive social media usage will tend to be on the same vein. As part of the future work, we would like to focus on the public opinion generation at large scale and